is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Gail in Tampa. Hey, Gail, what's going on?
Hey, love your program. You're amazing.
How long have you been listening?
Oh, my gosh. Well, off and on for about maybe, 6 to 7 years.
Oh.
I mean, just on the radio. Didn't understand the TV. And then I go out to Seattle once a year. We have a trading club out there.
Okay.
And then he started talking in class about your book, and I'm like, wait a minute, that's the guy that I listened to in Florida. And then I started watching your TV live, and it's just amazing. I need to become a tiger.
Well, you're already a tiger. See, you've been out there 6 years. See, once you check in to TFNN, you can't check out. It's like Hotel California. It's pretty sick, I know.
No, it's great. And I have some gold I want to try to get over to you, and then I want to buy some coins for my grandkids. So I appreciate what you're doing. I think it's amazing. You're just really amazing. Thank you very much.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 73, NASDAQ off 34, S&P's off 9.5. Gold contract up $16.80, trading at $1,591 an ounce. Silver up 59 cents at $28.61 an ounce. Platinum, $1,454 an ounce. Copper up 4.5 pennies at $3.43 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.49, trading out at 91.09. That's a beautiful thing. That baby's on its way down to 75. Bonds down 7 ticks, trading at 148.05. Bonds broke topside, folks. We're going to 160. We'll go over the weekly charts when we're done here. But huge conviction, huge volume, all of the above. Dollar index down 32 ticks today, 81.22. Euro up 82 at 127.81. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You are at 1292. Bottom line, folks, it's taken all of 12 trading days to give back 4 months. What is that all about? It's markdown, baby. And markdown, folks, is vicious. We are at 1292 right now on the way coming down to this 1260. And what you have here, wide open is 1158. Now, what's also wide open here is this. This is the way that this is shaking out right now. You have, if I put the weeklies up, you are going to go after the lows of last August, which is the 1,074. That's the way this is set up, and we very well can go after the lows of August of 2010. This break, folks, is a break with conviction, big time. If I take the SPY and we put the SPY up for you, and you take a look at the SPY on a weekly basis, I'll bring this back 5 years. We put this on a weekly basis. What you're going to see is you're going to see a huge acceleration with volume. Just to give you an idea, when the SPY made the high in April, we made that high with 592 million shares. Bottom line, folks, what do we come off that high with? 1.1 billion shares. Double the amount, folks. When people say there's not volume in the marketplace, there's always been plenty of volume in the marketplace, folks. It's downtown. And what that's all about is that we have distribution at highs. They push the paper out, push it out big time. Now you're in the markdown period. The SPY, your first level, or 129, she'd get a 120, you get some kind of a bounce. That's on down to 110, and 101 is wide open. We're going to take a look at the Dow Industrials. What you have with the Dow is this. Same setup in the Dow. Dow breaks hard. When we're talking about a weekly basis here, we put this up on a weekly. You're going to see the same characteristics. Once you're back inside the range, of course, Dow, we're at 12,369. Well, that Dow is going to be running down to the 10,404 ASAP. What you do have right now is that, let's see, so we started the year off, so much for being up for the year. We started the year off at, let's see, let me get the, this is pretty intense, actually. Yeah, we're up, we're at 12,369 and 12,221 was the start of the year. NASDAQ Composite. Now, Composite got toasted, got roasted, got all of the above. Bottom line, with what? With monster volume, folks. This baby broke downtown, broke with volume. We, right now, are at the 2,700 area. That's making its way down to 2,659. And this broke everything, too. This is pretty, this is about as intense as you can get. Volume-wise, what we did here is this, okay? On the NYSE, we did 1.1 billion. On the NASDAQ, folks, we did 2.6 billion. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Facebook, folks, this was just, you know, you talk about insulting the public, okay? This is about as good as you can get. What you're going to see is this. The Facebook deal, folks, is going to probably go down in history as one of the largest pushes out of paper in the market, taking not only the retail client, taking the institutional client to the cleaners in a big way. Zuckerberg, I suspect, is going to take the public to the cleaners just as he took the twins to the cleaners. They held it at 38, and if you were in front of a machine, it was pretty wild watching it shake out, because the bid at 38 was all nines coming across, 99999. Okay, so they had to hold it. They held it for the day. This baby's not going to hold. That's the bottom line. And what you have here, folks, is that at 38, it went out at 107 times earnings, and what that means at 107 times earnings, you're paying let's say you're paying $107 for $1 worth of earnings. Good luck. Okay, the larger issue is this: when IPOs come out, folks, what happens is this. Let's picture you get an IPO that comes out, and you're an institution, and you say, okay, I want 10,000 shares. Most of the time, you'll be lucky if you get 1,000 shares. When you get 10,000 shares, you know you're in trouble. Bottom line, everyone not only got their allocation of shares, they got as many shares as they wanted. You know, I brought this up a couple of days ago when we were talking about the retail client inside it. The retail clients never get them. They got them. You know why they got them, folks? They put the hype inside the deal that it was 30 to 1, you know, a ratio. It wasn't even close to 30 to 1. They probably didn't even have the orders. That's the real bottom line. So, just absolutely amazing. We go over to the 3Qs. We take a look at the 3Qs. What we have with the 3Qs is this. She came down today on 79 million shares, and just to put it in perspective, that's after making a high with 40 million shares. We take this and we put this on a weekly basis. What you're going to see, the way the setup is right now, we came down, first off, we made a high in April on the weekly basis with 183 million. Well, you know what, folks? You're going south with 307 million. See ya. Don't want to be ya. What we have with the 3Qs, we're at 60.81. Next stop is 58. It's on its way to 52. We go look at the small caps. Small caps, no doubt, sliced, diced, all of the above. If we take a look at the IWM today did 75 million shares. That's after making a high with 41 million in March. That's on the daily. On the weekly, what we have is this. On the weekly, we had made a high with 238 million, and they're coming down with 305 million. The IWM right now is at 74.69. That's on its way to 71. It's going to go test 60. And that's on the short-term basis. We bring this back a bit. We put this on a weekly. And what we have up on this weekly is we are on our way, down to 60 bucks. So big numbers out here. Now, let's go to King Dollar. We go take a look at King Dollar. What King Dollar did out here, folks, is this. She had a price spread out here today of 81.93 was the high, closed out at 81.25. We take this, you put this on a weekly basis. Bingo. There she is. And what you have is that she got up to this 81.93. She's launched the 80.38. What I expect is that you'll build some cause now. You're going to build that cause to get into and more than likely over the 82. It's going to have to build some cars, though, because we went straight up from that 78 level. You know, you build cars, you get over the 82. The 82 is a big number. If it launches the 82 and it has the juice behind the move, 89 will be on that agenda, and that'll be very, very quick. The commodity markets, folks, no doubt got toasted and roasted this whole past week. And we had, let's see, orange juice was off 3% today, soybeans 2.5%, sugar 1.5%, crude oil 1.6%. Yeah, we want to go to crude oil. Summer's coming up. Let's go take a look at crude oil. What we had with crude oil out here, she's trading right now at, oh, I like this. She's trading at 91, so we take 93. We take, oh, this is pretty. 75's coming at us, baby. You stay right there. We're coming right back.